Hello everyone, welcome to Cricket Next. Well, India have defeated Zimbabwe in the T20 series by 4-1, and quite a few positives from that tournament, Soumya. But the biggest positive I feel is around the all-rounders dilemma that we have been talking for quite a long time. Do you think someone like Shivam Dube, the way he has performed throughout the tournament, and also the way he performed in the T20 World Cup final, he has settled down the debate of a replacement for Hardik Pandya? Would it be fair to say, or is it quite early?
No, yeah, it's a quite early call. To be honest, Shivam Dube has been a part of the Indian side just because of his batting. The way he batted for CSK for 2 seasons, came in as an impact player. His bowling, yes, he bowled nicely in the last game. He played against Zimbabwe, bowled at what 6.25 of economy of 6.25.
Right?
Just gave away 26 and 4 overs, picked up a couple of wickets. But again, all due respect to Zimbabwe, they're a pretty relatively weaker side. You have to perform against them. You have to, if you want to cement your place in the Indian team, and that's how the custom has been for the Indian side. एक कहीं ना कहीं एक सेकंड स्ट्रिंग टीम भेजी जाती है हमेशा उस टूर के ऊपर. एंड इफ डिस्पाइट प्लेइंग द वर्ल्ड कप, डिस्पाइट बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ अ T20 वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग कैंपेन, अगर आपको उस टीम के साथ भेजा जा रहा है, so there are certain things that needs to be ticked off from a player's perspective and players and individuals perspective, or वही चीज़ है. And I'm not really impressed with the way he bowls, right? He's somebody who can give away a lot of runs on his given day, and we have seen just he bowled one over in one of the games and gave away 11 runs. So yeah, you need to work really hard on those aspects. All rounder का काम होता है three dimensional होना. We have seen a Ravindra Jadeja, we have seen a Hardik Pandya.
Right.
Hardik Pandya का अगर back injury नहीं होता, he would have been one of the finest all rounders that we have seen in the longer format too.
No.
He's that kind of cricketer. He's that kind of a brave cricketer. So yeah, you need a lot of things to tick those boxes. I still feel Shivam Dube is really far away from that zone. You can just see यार 2019 में उन्होंने अपना पहला T20 खेला था. उसके बाद उन्होंने 32 T20s खेले हैं. So you can figure out why he has missed out on so many games, despite the fact that T20 cricket बहुत बहुत कॉमन है अब. बहुत ज़्यादा होता है T20 क्रिकेट. देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन वी सेंट व्हाट टू डिफरेंट टीम्स इन टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड
Right.
to play. We had three captains at one stage. So yeah, that's how the game has been functioning for some time now. और बहुत दूर है अभी उस चीज़ से कहने के लिए. अगर आपको एक बैकअप क्रिएट करना है, सो यू हैव टू परफॉर्म विद द बॉल एज वेल. एक गेम से आप जज नहीं कर सकते. एंड एन इनकॉन्सिक्वेंशियल गेम जहाँ पे इसका कोई वेटेज नहीं था. आई एम
Right.
सॉरी यार, वी कांट रियली गिव इम्पोर्टेंस टू सच गेम्स जहाँ आप 3-1 ऑलरेडी अप हो, आपके पास प्रेशर नहीं है और आप अपनी गेम खेल रहे हो. आई वुड हैव सजेस्ट हैव दे शुड हैव हैड अ बी साई सुदर्शन इन द स्क्वाड स्टिल. You should have had Harshit Rana in. Why did you send him back? I don't understand this logic from team management. आप accommodate ही करते रह जाते हो प्लेयर्स को. सेम सिचुएशन विद संजू सैमसन यार. ध्रुव जुरेल की जगह आपने संजू सैमसन को खिलाया, डिस्पाइट यू विनिंग द सीरीज. आप 3-1 अप थे,
Right.
अनअसाइबल लीड थी आपके पास, उसके बावजूद आप ध्रुव जुरेल को मैच नहीं दे पाए. आई डोंट. वो सोशल मीडिया पे शोर मचता रहता है, देखो संजू ने आके ट्रिकी सिचुएशन में बचाया. बॉस प्लीज, 2014 was the year he made his debut. Let's not even go there.
Right.
Okay, so
Right.
uh, that's the same situation with Shivam Dube. He should have had performed really well till now. 5-6 साल से अगर आप 5-6 साल पहले अगर आपने क्रिकेट का करियर अपने एट हाईएस्ट लेवल स्टार्ट किया था, तो आपको अब तक परफॉर्म कर देना चाहिए था, कंसिडरिंग द काइंड ऑफ इंजरी कंसर्न्स दैट हार्दिक हैड ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
Right.
So this
Right.
is
He had
I
quite a few chances at that point in time, but
exactly. I
उसका
mean,
comeback भी CSK के लिए परफॉर्म करने के बाद हुआ.
यार आप सी एस के
Inside.
को भी देखो ना. सीएसके ने क्यों कैसे खिलाया है? सीएसके ने इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर खिलाया है आपको.
Right.
लेट्स फेस इट. सीएसके ने हमको एज एन इम्पैक्ट
Right.
प्लेयर खिलाया. आओ और सामने वाली टीम को थोड़ा डोमिनेट करो. 10 बॉल में 30-35 रन करो. दैट इज योर वर्क. दैट्स इट. धोनी नोज हाउ टू यूज हिज प्लेयर्स एंड ही डिड दैट. इंडियन टीम में अगर आप फाइनल का नॉक हटा दो, एंड नॉट टेकिंग एनीथिंग अवे फ्रॉम दैट फाइनल नॉक, अगर
सोनिया,
आप उसे
do
हटा दो
you
तो
think because
या
because CSK में धोनी लीड कर रहे हैं, उनके ही डिसीजंस है या शिवम दुबे को इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर खिलाना. So do you
या
think if he was still the captain of Indian team, how would he have used Shivam Dube in international cricket? Because इधर तो impact player का option नहीं है. How do you think that would have worked?
I don't think so, yaar. I mean, if you have Hardik Pandya at your So says, why would you use a Shivam Dube just for his reach? I would rather play Rinku Singh and that position. And I feel अगर MS उस जगह पे होते तो वो रिंकू को जरूर लेकर आते उस जगह पे उस पोजीशन पे खिलाने के लिए. And I am a big believer of that too. Uh, Rinku is somebody who can play across formats in that middle order. Simple. और ये बार बार एक ऑलराउंडर की सर्च करने के पीछे आप एक अच्छे प्लेयर को नहीं पीछे बैकड्रॉप में डाल सकते just to accommodate certain things, I will say. And that's how things have been working. So yeah, I mean, I don't really ठीक है, एक गेम अच्छा खेला, एक फाइनल अच्छा खेला था जरूर. एज आई सेड, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनीथिंग अवे फ्रॉम दैट नॉक, बट वो एक अकेला नॉक था, उसमें बहुत सारे अलग एस्पेक्ट्स भी थे. आपने जैसा भी इनिंग खेला उसमें. So yeah, it's just a very far away kind of a thing which we are talking about. Yes, if you really want an all-rounder, have a Washington Sundar.
Washington Sundar, right?
Let us give him chances, because वो इंजरी कंसर्न की वजह से थोड़ा सा वो पैकिंग ऑर्डर में या वो विंग्स में ना थोड़ा पीछे हो गए हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें अब जैसे वो फिट हैं, एंड आई जस्ट होप ही स्टेज दैट वेज, तो उन्हें मौके दीजिए आप 5-6 नंबर पे खिलाने के लिए. ही कैन बी समबडी हु कैन टेक अप दैट proper all-rounder role, can bowl in the power play, can bowl in the middle overs, can give you a batting stability in the middle order. And one thing more, he's somebody, it's a very far away thing, but he's somebody who can also open the innings for you. Not required, of course, क्योंकि आपके पास 4-5 openers हैं already, but just to add up that one thing. So yeah, if you really want to groom somebody, it's Washington Sundar for now, B. Sai Sudarshan, and a couple of more players.
You
will find
talk about Washington Sundar, Soumya. So since Ravindra Jadeja is retired, obviously Akshar Patel is a like-for-like replacement for Jadeja. But do you think going forward, someone like Sundar can fill in the shoes of Jadeja in T20s at least?
Why not? Yeah, he is somebody. He has played for Indian across formats. He's been a part of a famous Test win in Australia. He's played T20 one-day cricket as well, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, he is somebody who can take up that role, and it's also good for Akshar. Yeah, Akshar के पर भी थोड़ा workload आएगा, because you will have to play him in the T20I. So कहीं ना कहीं जब आपको एक squad बनाना होगा, तो Washi is somebody who can take up that role. Just have players who can give you different options यार. just कि एक प्लेयर एक मैच में 11 की एवरेज से रन खाएगा या 5 की, पता ही नहीं है ना. ऐसा नहीं होता. और ये बड़ी बेतुकी बात होती है कि यार पता तो किसी का भी नहीं है. बस पता किसी का भी नहीं है, कंसिस्टेंसी नाम की एक चीज होती है. that's why players are into your side ना.
Right. But you talked about having players that give you options. तो उसी चीज पे मैं एक और प्लेयर के बारे में आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा. We have been talking about batters who can bowl for quite a while now, and finally we have someone like Abhishek Sharma in the side who can roll his arm over when needed. So, do you think having someone like him in the long run will be very much beneficial? जो हम 2011 और वो टाइम की बात करते, we had 3 or 4 batters who can bowl. So do you think Abhishek Sharma will bring that kind of balance to the side back in T20s and in ODIs as well?
He needs a lot of work on his bowling, first of all. यार highest level पे bowl करना is a different case altogether, and he needs some work on his bowling. But yeah, he can be somebody, जिस जो आप 2011 के era की बात कर रहे हो, he can be probably that guy who can be somebody, जो आपको 5-6 overs one day में दे सकता है, 4 over probably T20 में दे सकता है. But he really needs to work on his line and length. I wasn't really impressed with him as far as bowling is concerned. एक आधा wicket मिला, and there's a reason why he just got a 1 wicket in whole of the series. ठीक है, पूरी सीरीज में bowling में नहीं करी, but he needs a lot of work on his bowling. वो तो खुद ही बोल दिया उन्होंने, यार I have to work on my bowling. So yeah, it's different ball game.
Quite a bit like early days for him so far, and I think with someone like Yuvraj Singh mentoring him, he will get good going forward. Thank you, Soumya, for all your insights. Quite an interesting series win for India, and interesting times in Indian cricket with someone like Gautam Gambhir coming at the helm as a head coach now. Let's see what happens going forward. For now, stay tuned to Cricket Next.